welcome back. In this video I want to show you my Event Speech Bubbles plugin, and with this you have the possibility to add your own message boxes in this style. As you can see, you can set auto message boxes which are in parallel events, and as you can see, it will always try not to block your character. And also you have the option to have these boxes which are used for normal dialogues and which you can make disappear with the action button. Also you can set different styles, like for example here you see the corners are pretty sharp, and in this example you can round up the corners. You can completely customize these boxes, like you can change the colors for names, or text color, the text size, or if you want to set pictures or not. To set it up, you simply need to activate the Event Speech Bubbles plugin. Here you can set different options, like the text size, or the background color, or the name color, or if it avoids a player. And now you hit just OK. And here we create a new character. Let's take this kit. And let's first test the option which allows you to make a text box like in RPG Maker. So you activate it and every event stops and you get the text box shown, and after you hit OK, the text box will go away. Here you can set up again if you like. You can change the text box, but we will use show speech bubble, and here you need to have the event ID, and if you put in 0 it will attach to this event, but you can also type in other numbers if you want one event to organize all the different speech bubbles. The position is on auto, so it always tries to avoid the player. The speaker name, we will call him Kid. He will say the text hello. Now we select the face, and here we also want to use this face image. And now you need the index, and it starts at 0, so here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But we want this face, so we use 0, and you enter it here, so it's 0 already. You can change the face position, set it to left, right, or just leave it like it is, like you defined it in the setup. You can set wait to off in this case, so we want to show a normal text box. And pause a map event, so you can use the plugin default or yes or no. So this means that all events on the map get paused while you use this message box, like the default message box from RPG Maker. And we use plugin default. And now you can hit yes and OK. And now you can see that if I talk to this kid, there will be a message box, and if I talk from this side, the message box will appear above him. We can also change the message box, like in the example, and we can set this to a parallel process. So the message will get shown over and over again. And for this we need to set this to close by OK, it's off. And we set wait on. and here we can set the duration, and we set it to 180, for example. And pause map events, you can set those to no. So this is an automatic message, like, I don't know, if you have people cheering in the background and say stuff which doesn't really matter. So you can display it like that when you add a little waiting timer for 1 second. Yeah. And now you can hit OK. And now you see that the message will get displayed over and over again. And that's the second style. And that's already it for this plugin. You can find that plugin on itch.io. A link will be in the description below. And you can also join the Discord to report bugs or request features or just join the community. So have fun with it and see you in the next video.